So in this place, we're working with Godrej, and some 60 plus people have turned up and they have transformed the school completely.
It feels very enlightening and very nice having this break from work and coming here and interacting with these wonderful kids.
It's wonderful to come here with colleagues and do this together, because at work it's very different, so formal, it's professional. Here you're doing something for a purpose.
ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆ ನೆನಪುಗಳನ್ನ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದು ಚಂದ ಫೀಲಿಂಗು.
As you know, joining with government school over here, interacting with the kids and explaining how to achieve their goals and helping out them to know the things.
Yes, it was very inspiring. It was like back to our school days. Met kids, got to know from them a lot of things.
It's been an amazing experience so far, and I'm very thrilled to see the enthusiasm that these kids have.
Mingling with all the underprivileged child and taking care of the school and painting of all other activities, it is really a very humbling experience. So, we expect to do the similar kind of activities each and every year.
Painting and playing with them, but I hope the next step is actually getting into some sort of education and impact in the longer run. I think that's something that we should all participate in.
We generally will not know what other society is going through, and getting to know about them, it's like something which I should be blessed.
This is one of my the best moments which I am experiencing today.
ಗೋದ್ರೇಜ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಆಗಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಾದದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.